welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to achieve this look right here. This one. This particular one. This tutorial is honestly simple. It's just got a little bit of extra steps that we are not quite used to around here. I think you guys can do it. It's really not that difficult. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? And you can probably do it better than me. So I just want to show you guys exactly how I achieved this look, show you that it's really not all that difficult, maybe a little bit of finagling, and you are good to go. So let's dive in. Come on, come on, let's go, come on. Okay, come. Here we go, barefaced and one eye. Let's do it. So I'm diving straight into my colorful transition shades, this bright orange, and eventually I'm going to grab that purple down there on the bottom. As you can, oh, hi, what is that? Huh. Okay, so I'm just diving straight in and, like I said, putting those transition shades on. I'm going to put down this orangey color first, and then you'll see me grab that purple shade that I did not point to. Now I am. And I'm going to lay that one down as well. So these are going to be like the literal transition shades for my cut crease. So whenever the bright colorful, lid kind of fades away, you've got these pretty transitions to look at. So I'm just buffing them all together. This is one of those fluffy blending brushes that I talked about in my last video. Well, if you guys watched it, I hope you learned something. So here we are cutting the crease. I use concealer. Typically I wouldn't use this concealer just because it's expensive, but any concealer will do the trick. And I'm just patting and moving the concealer around to get it to the shape that I want. So yes, I am diving into this Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, but listen, I got it in a BoxyCharm. Technically it wasn't free, but it's like kind of free because it's in a BoxyCharm, and the colors are actually really good. I know that she's not everyone's favorite right now, and I mean, I agree, but I mean, the palette's kind of good, so I'm going to keep using it. Okay. All right. There's my spiel on that. So I literally just grabbed all of the colors in the top row. You see what I'm doing here, kind of making an ombre effect, and I'm just kind of patting and smushing the color down onto my lid to make sure that it is nice and blended. So you saw me point back to that same purple shade, and I'm just using a pencil brush to darken up the outer corner again and then drag it across the top of the cut crease. And then I'm just using this fluffier brush to help blend everything together. You did see me throw on a smidge more of that dark blue shade to kind of, yeah girl, to kind of get everything nice and blended. I am clearly proud of myself. Now this is honestly the trickiest part of this look. Okay, the first eye, I didn't do it so great. This eye, your girl nailed it. I am just taking some white gel liner on a eyeliner brush and just, going to town. Then I take this bright yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just putting it on there before the white liner dries. And that, my friends, is how you do it. Do it! I'm using these shades right here to highlight my brow bone. This is literally my favorite combo for a brow bone highlight. Ooh, bottoms up to that. Okay, so I wanted to use gel liner for this one. I mean, yes, I used the white gel liner, but I have not used black gel liner in so long. So I just kind of wanted to dive in and play with it again. And I'm using MAC's Black Track because for a while that was literally my favorite liner ever. So I'm just using a lining brush to apply that and give myself a quick wing. And then you clean up underneath of the eye, clear out any fallout. So once you do the rest of your face, you can make your eye nice and smoky and beautiful. And that is it. And that's it, guys. Really nothing to it, right? I mean, that was easy, right? Like, you guys, totally got it. Like, no big deal. Did better than me, right? Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you had liked something a little bit more creative than just like your normal smoky eye, essentially. Let me know how you guys like this video, if you enjoyed it, if you didn't enjoy it, did I do a good job explaining or showing things, or did I not? Let me know, because that's the only way I can get better, right? Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload. Because trust me, you want to be here. Thanks so much again, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.